Hello guys, I am so excited to be preparing for this upcoming trip, so make sure you watch out for some exciting content. I will be traveling to Europe, and one of the things that I love to do before I travel is to do some research on the countries that I'll be visiting, and of course understand their currencies, some cultural nuances and stuff. But one thing that I am learning is that these current conversion rates, they really add up, especially if you convert currencies on the airport. So I had to just make sure I have some cash, some Turkish lira here and some euros, so that I don't have to worry about at least these exchange rates. Of course I can use our family American Express that does not charge exchange rate, because I realize it makes sense to always get things in the local currency rather than converting to the default of the US or my current Canadian dollar currency. So I'm going to be sharing some exciting content with you guys, so stay tuned.